Welcome back, everybody. It is Modern Myth, Week 2, Lesson 2. Today, you're going to focus on two things. We're going to make sure we're creating our comic review. And for those of you who haven't had your conference with me today, we're going to make that happen. So, we are going to actually create the very first piece of content for your portfolio. And the portfolio is something we're going to add to as we go along through the whole semester. So today you're going to create your very first comic book review. You should have read and taken notes yesterday on the books. Lesson 1 has that information in it. If you haven't done lesson 1, you need to do that first. You can't actually do lesson 2 unless you've done lesson 1. You want to make sure you have your notes from yesterday ready to go, the copies of the comics I gave you, and then I did include a video on how to put it all together. So before we jump in with our work, we're going to do a little check-in. You have 3 of these characters you get to pick who will protect you. I don't know what the situation is. They're just protecting you, life or death. The thing is, the rest of them are going to try to kill you. So you need to pick the 3 you think give you the best chance of survival, assuming that's what you want. So if you don't know, Spider-Man, Thanos, Batman, Joker, Deadpool, I think that's the Night King, Iron Man, Darth Vader, and Wonder Woman. So in the chat, take this 1 minute. In the chat, tell me the 3 characters on this list you would choose to protect you. I'm kind of tempted by some of these villains. They'll probably turn on me, but I'm feeling like I got a chance there. Once we're done, we're going to pivot back to focusing on finishing up some important work for the week. First, we want to make sure those of you who are conferencing with me today, click on here and you can open the doc and make sure you confirm what time you're meeting with me. If you didn't get to go yesterday or you missed it and there are time spots today, pick one from today and come join me in the meet at that time. The other is here's the actual video link, the lesson you can watch. It's about 6, 7, 8 minutes on how to make your journal. I'm giving you, you should find the, it's a slide. You'll have one assigned to you in classroom. You'll open it up and just watch the video first, and you will be able to very easily put it all together. So there's a lot. The expectation is if you are meeting with me, you're meeting with me. When you're not meeting with me during class time today, you are working on finishing your comic review because we have more to do, new things next week. So we want to make sure we get this first piece of our portfolio done. So you'll know you're done when the comic review is finished and you had your conference with me. Please mark that as done once you get into classroom. If by chance you still didn't get a chance to conference with me and you message me in an email or text me at my Google Voice number asking and giving me a time that might work for you, we can try and make that work. If you do that, if you make an effort to try and reconnect with me, then I'll let you mark it as done. Okay. Thanks. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, you can click here if you want to email me, or you can give me a text at 612-440-5949. See you guys next time.